If Kotoko failed to win the MTN FA Cup and the league, Kotoko a failure, and the came of Kesbin FM ne Kesbin TV, and ɔsi asɛm obi ka kyerɛ nti mienti and the came nneɛma sisi a ɛba bɛtɔ aso but wobɛtumi aforo wobɛtumi so like wɔ comment so wobɛtumi abɔ comment so ne ato adwuma de so bɛna wase
league na ɔmo yɛ failure na deɛ ɔmo yɛ failure oye deɛ sɛ obi nya asɛm a ɔsɛ yɛkyɛ ɔmo yɛ failure my team coach new and management team it is not as if you are bringing in sponsors there because I was a high sense nana said you are more did home and otum for the team now to bibia and team your management team what to players about more for coach more change coach more for new one FA Cup derby because of again good in case somebody went to me and show because of that first on the league table at the point of go off almost have that first and moment me and said you who are the point here moment me and the FA Cup the league will be choose different way that more feel so moment me meet the expectation of the team moment me meet the expectation of the fans trophy me no record of what said you more feel
well okay now the occur say who be a bit master okay to pick the shoes mono
what's in it and some reference and the Kim or in the more Kesbin FM ne Kesbin TV the two patches Kotoko and me anyi league na any FA Cup na Kotoko a failure so he plays ya Kotoko a toba kukudam na say season me kwa wi na Kotoko and me anyi league we pa dia na say enema anko yam farmer sam to Kotoko etina wishine asama and the came at the two patches Kotoko league obada first now obaseke obada first na say Kotoko say yentimi anyi league pa fancy na so MTN FA Cup no na yentimi anko Africa so na say Kotoko failure. Do you agree with him? Say obaka Kotoko yentimi anyi MTN FA Cup league na Kotoko failure. Do you agree with him on that side? If me be no make say yes. Anga say me be ya adwin say Kotoko yentimi anyi league in MTN FA Cup no wo hwe recruitment in players e ba sante Kotoko pa na say yentimi amfa sa enam no anya nkwan ma nkwan na anya da na say yenye oba papa na say ya feel as a wife you're going to have fun with Sante Kotoko so if me ne ya adwin on that yeah also Kotoko recruitment yeah before I be league na I was say yetimi e kire players yam ba ya yeso so mo so hwahwo mo no I was say yetimi e kire bibi what I say yetimi kire bibi only am for say yes Kotoko go from buy no omo go one match sa so what I say another players don't buy no omo amegu omo no match am bo mo den na bia but we players we work the caliber players am ba Sante Kotoko na say you for players we anyi league ya na ya feel what I say let's feel as a team so many ya adwene outside on that score but no so much which me for which like or comment so na comment section no bo net me go this channel together no bye bye.